Sangeetha. I am from SP Robotics Puducherry and I study for 5th of Puducherry. This is my beginner level project. The project name is Plowing the Field. Components are used a LED, a buzzer, IR sensor, power supply board, wheels, motors, battery, etc. Working model of my project. I use beginner level board and foundation level objects. Let us show the Thank you for watching my video.